Hi, so it's Tuesday, February the 6th, and it's time for our fourth attempt at a pod point install. Hopefully it'll go to plan this time, except there's just one catch. It's been snowing. Does this mean we're going to get another cancellation today? Let's find out. Okay, so we just had a text from the pod point engineer. He'll be here in about 5 minutes, so it looks like we're going ahead today. Excellent. Alright, so here's the finished article. We've got one pod point charger there with a key lock. It's got a Type 2 connector there. You can then plug into there. Obviously that'll go into the car and it comes out down the front of the back cable. Nice and neatly up to there. Now we need to do a little bit of work just to tidy up the brickwork. But yeah, it's not the end of the world. And then if we go inside, right, and on the inside it's a little bit darker, you can see. Come in there, had a little bit of mess up with some of the plaster coming down, but you know, not the end of the world. Got this new consumer unit here with just a breaker for the pod point unit. And I'll show you that a little bit later on once we've got some more light, because it's a bit too dingy in there. Yeah, it's all done. Rather disinterested cat. Oh, hello.